Hey guys, it's Dr. Nate here at Thrive Dental and Orthodontics, and what I want to show you today is what you should be looking in a dental office and what your first visit will look like. What you should expect when you come to a dental office, and especially our dental office, is an amazing check-in process by amazing staff. We really pride ourselves on staff members, and we want to create a welcoming atmosphere for you. And what we do is all of our information here is digital. So you can see she's checking in on a laptop. Super important to keep everything digital. Just keeps the flow nice and easy, and everybody, all the information intact and all the violations intact. And what we like to have is we want to make sure everybody's entertained, okay? We want to make sure the adults are entertained. So what we have is we have TV going on, we have different shows, different movies playing, just to make sure you feel at home and feel comfortable. Not only that, is you can get coffees, you can get teas, you can get waters, different sort of bubbly drinks, just to keep hydrated and making you feel at home and feeling good. But not only that, we like to do a couple other different things. We like to have our biophilic designs here. So we like to have our nice, natural, yes, live trees in the office to create a little bit of oxygen and to help you feel more relaxed and at ease for your dental appointment. Not only that, we love to have our essential oils. Smells so good. It also keeps you nice and calm and relaxed, because we know coming to the dental office can be sometimes a little bit difficult. So we want to do everything we can to make your visit the best possible. So that's for the adults, but they're still kids, right? We want to make sure the kids, from the two-year-olds to the 18-year-olds, are well entertained. Even the young adults are entertained. So what we do here is we have the TV playing, we have movies playing. You can watch animals doing their thing on the mountain. If you're really young, you can smash on some toys, you can play kitchen, and then you can also play some video games. So we have Mario Kart, which used to be my favorite when I was young, and then some Battlestar. So you can play these games, keep entertained. So if there's a wait, or if you're just waiting for somebody else who's in the operatory, you can come in here, just hang out, play some video games, watch some movies, feel at home. So after you're done all that process, the next step is to get your X-rays. X-rays really help us make sure that we're giving the proper diagnosis, and so we're giving you the best treatment possible. One thing I want to talk about X-rays is everything should be digital. Digital, super important. If you see your dentist or your dental assistant taking X-rays and going and processing them, and you can see on their little film here that there's the X-rays. This is how small the tooth is. It is really hard to see the X-ray, or really hard to see the cavities, really hard to see the gum disease, the periodontal disease on those small X-rays, so we don't want that. We want everything to be digital. So it should look like this. So she is getting her digital X-ray done here. It goes directly to the computer, so it's uploaded to all the files, so every dentist in the office and every assistant in the office can see it immediately. So it's the best process we can possibly do. She's getting her big X-rays, and they're also going to take some intraoral pictures in the mouth, so you can visually see any cavities, any gum issues, any periodontal issues, all on the computers, which I'll show you in a second. Okay, so after they get those X-rays done, they've had that big X-ray done, they've had the intraoral pictures taken, then what we want to do is we want to take the closer up picture. So we want to be able to see in between the teeth to make sure there's no cavities in between the teeth. Same thing, right? We want it to be digital, very important. So we here have a digital X-ray that's handheld. So this makes it even easier. You don't have to go all these other rooms to get these X-rays done. You just stay in this room, you relax, and you get your X-rays done all digitally. And we got to keep you entertained, right? So at all of our offices and all of our ops, we have Netflix on the front and on the top to keep you entertained, because you're getting X-rays done, getting all this stuff done, but you want to make sure that you feel at home and you feel comfortable. We got the essential oils, we got the TV, we got the TVs in here. We just want to make sure you feel comfortable. That's super important. So we have X-rays done, we have the pictures done, we have the close-up X-rays done. What does that look like? Well, what happens here is you can see the doctor here is showing you all the X-rays, and this is why it's so much better, because if you blow that up, look how big that X-ray is. Now you can definitely see if there's any cavities, you can see if there's any gum disease. This is super easy to see compared to those little small X-rays. That doesn't make any sense. This is so much nicer. And then right there, look, you can easily see your teeth. You can see if there's any calculus buildup, any gum disease. You can see it, so it's very transparent, very noticeable. So that is the process how we do it at our office, and this is exactly what you should be looking for at your dental office, okay? This is very important. We want digital X-rays, we want the check-in, check-out process, super amazing. We want everything to be digital. We want everything to be very comfortable for you too, and you want amazing staff.